What if I told you that one of Yamaha's most legendary names in dual sport history is making a grand return? A bike that carved trails, crossed deserts, and built a cult following across continents. Yes, the Yamaha XT600, a machine rider's thought was gone forever, is back for 2026. And this time Yamaha isn't just dusting off a classic, they're reimagining it for a new generation of adventurers. Stay tuned until the end, because Yamaha has slipped in a surprise that fans of the XT lineup never saw coming. The XT600 first roared to life in the early 1980s. It was rugged, simple, and powerful for its class. Riders loved it for its reliability, its long travel suspension, and its ability to go just about anywhere, from tight city streets to endless desert tracks. For decades, the XT became a favorite of explorers, commuters, and Dakar dreamers alike. But as the years went on and emissions tightened, the XT600 disappeared from Yamaha's lineup, replaced by newer models like the Tenere series. Riders never stopped asking for it though, and in 2026, Yamaha finally listened. From the very first look, the new XT600 is unmistakable. Yamaha's designers blended the iconic silhouette of the original with sleek, modern touches. The tank is muscular, the side panels flow cleanly into the seat, and the round LED headlight pays homage to the classic XT look while giving it a modern edge. It feels familiar but fresh, like a legend reborn for today's world. At the heart of the new XT600 is what makes this revival so exciting: a brand new 600cc single-cylinder engine. Yes, Yamaha stayed true to the XT's roots, but this isn't the old air-cooled thumper. It's a liquid-cooled, fuel-injected powerhouse tuned for torque, delivering about 48 horsepower and 55 Newton-meters of grunt. Those numbers might not sound extreme, but anyone who knows dual sports knows it's not about raw horsepower. It's about tractable, usable power. The XT600's engine is built to pull you out of sandy pits, climb rocky trails, and still hum smoothly on the open highway. Yamaha has worked hard to keep the character of a single while solving its old flaws. A new dual counterbalancer setup reduces vibration dramatically, meaning you can ride longer without fatigue. And because this bike is designed for exploration, fuel efficiency was a priority. Expect around 28 kilometers per liter, giving the 18-liter tank a range of over 450 kilometers. That's the kind of range adventurers dream of. The chassis is equally impressive. A lightweight steel frame keeps things simple and durable, while the suspension setup uses fully adjustable KYB components. With 240 millimeters of travel up front and 230 millimeters in the rear, the XT600 soaks up bumps, ruts, and rocky trails with ease. The wheels are true to its heritage, a 21-inch front and an 18-inch rear. It's a geometry designed for off-road confidence, but Yamaha refined the handling so that it feels stable and predictable on tarmac as well. Of course, 2026 demands technology, and Yamaha didn't ignore it. The XT600 now comes with a bright TFT display that provides all the essentials: speed, range, fuel consumption, and navigation through smartphone connectivity. But unlike some tech-heavy adventure bikes, Yamaha kept the interface simple. Riders who want to focus on the ride will love the no-nonsense approach. Riding aids include switchable ABS, traction control, and 2 basic modes: road and off-road. Yamaha resisted the temptation to overload the XT with unnecessary electronics, keeping true to its spirit of rugged simplicity. But one modern feature that stands out is the lightweight quickshifter option, making gear changes smoother and easier, especially when standing on the pegs in rough terrain. Comfort is another area where Yamaha stepped up. The seat height sits at 860 millimeters, high enough for off-road clearance but manageable for most riders. The seat itself is wider and better padded than older XTs, while the handlebars and foot pegs are positioned for all-day comfort. The slim tank keeps the bike narrow between your knees, making it easier to control when standing off-road. And yes, there's an adjustable windscreen, something older XT riders could only dream of. But now, here's the surprise: Yamaha slipped into the 2026 XT600 lineup. Alongside the standard model, there's a brand new XT600 Rally Edition. This special version comes equipped with larger fuel capacity, a rally-inspired navigation tower, upgraded suspension, and factory skid plates. In short, it's ready for desert rallies, long-distance exploration, or riders who want to live out their Dakar fantasies right from the showroom floor. Yamaha knows the XT name carries rally heritage, and the Rally Edition honors that history while giving enthusiasts the tools they need. So, who is the new XT600 for? It's for riders who want a machine that's light, versatile, and unbreakable. For adventurers who want a bike that can carry them across continents without costing a fortune. For commuters who want something rugged and reliable for daily life, but capable of turning any weekend into an adventure. And for longtime fans of the XT family who've been waiting patiently for its return, this bike is the dream come true. The XT600 doesn't aim to compete with bigger, heavier adventure bikes like the Africa Twin or Tenere 1200. Instead, it carves out its own space, just like the original did. Affordable, approachable, but still packed with enough performance and modern features to feel relevant in today's market. The return of the Yamaha XT600 in 2026 is more than just a comeback. It's a reminder. A reminder that motorcycles don't have to be complicated to be extraordinary. That adventure doesn't start with the fanciest gadget or the biggest horsepower figure. It starts with a bike that's simple, capable, and built to take you anywhere. So here's my question. Will the XT600 reclaim its throne as the king of versatile dual sports, or will it struggle in a market filled with modern rivals? That's for riders like you to decide. This has been the story of the all-new 2026 Yamaha XT600, a legend reborn for a new generation. Thanks for joining me. And as always, this is Acer Rider signing off. Until next time, ride safe, explore further, and never stop chasing the horizon.